up, you guys? It's Andrea and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. Like, you honestly don't even know how much I appreciate you, how much I love you. I adore you. I adore your faces. I adore everything about you. And I just wanted you to know that.
Yeah.
Maybe little fringy bits would look better.
Probably not.
Today, I know I was like super pumped about having, that was so fake. I am sorry. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Why do I do this, ow? First off, I know that we were talking about having a perfectly organized video schedule. There's gonna be a little bit more about it on my vlog channel. I just had a bad month, you know? Everybody does, everybody goes through it, everybody just feels not themselves sometimes. I'm back, I'm good, I'm happy. So I hope you're here for it. This week, I have a video for you. It is a video. I'm just gonna head out now, guys. Was that like a funny joke? Did you even laugh a little bit at that one? We are going to be adding too many ingredients to slime. As you're watching the video, let me know down in the comments below. Do you like the first slime better or the second slime? And let me know why. I'm gonna be down in the comments hanging out with you guys.
I'm dedicated. I'm determined.
I will answer you. Our newest members of the notification squad, go down below. Hit the subscribe button. Then turn the notification bell on so you get all of my notifications. Leave a cute comment down below saying you did that. And then I'm gonna be scrolling through while I'm answering you guys' comments and picking out new messages for next week. Social medias. They're pretty sick. I am on there 24/7. And then if we hop over to this side, YouTube videos. I've got more of them. I'm also editing more. Let's get on
With the video.
Okay, let's get into this. Hopefully you guys can't hear me sniffling because I do not feel the greatest. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not having. So I decided to show you guys some of my ingredients. This is before I actually moved into my new house though, so they look a lot different now. Everything is actually organized. This was when it was kind of a disaster. So I didn't know what to grab. I don't know why there was a measuring tape there. It didn't belong there. Go, leave. Yeah, that's right. You stay on the floor. Those are too hard to get to. So we're gonna use these. I didn't know exactly how to make this video. I didn't know what everybody else was putting in their different, you know, adding too much of something slimes. So I think I'm just gonna go in with everything. I think we're gonna put everything all in one slime. Is that how you do it? I'm not quite sure if this is right or not, but we're just gonna go with it and hope for the best. That's what I've been doing my entire life. And you know, for the most part, it's worked out. Sometimes it doesn't. This might be one of those times, but we're never gonna know unless we try. You guys know me, you know my biggest pet peeve is when you add too many things or you add things that don't match and the colors are wrong and then it just doesn't mix right. So we got a good selection of different stuff and I decided to start with the glitters because, I mean, first of all, aesthetics. Secondly, we needed to get that thumbnail shot. Am I right? So starting of different micro shimmers, we have like hot pinks. I really love the hot pinks and the iridescence because, oh, the iridescence under flashlight, oh, they're so pretty. And then I thought these were kind of like in the pink, the orange range. Felt like they would mix pretty well. Again, like I said, I've never watched anybody's adding too much of something to slime videos. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making it look pretty. I feel like that's what I excel at. So we're just gonna make sure everything is organized. Yep, like that. You know me. I am a very picky person when it comes to aesthetics. So a lot of these glitters and a lot of these ingredients, I feel like you guys have probably seen them in slimes in the Peachybbies shop. If you have, please, in the comments below, guess what they're from, and I'll tell you if you're right or not, because I feel like a lot of these you're definitely going to recognize, but I'm really curious to see if you'll guess them or not. And then here it is under flashlight, because everything is 100% prettier if you've got a direct light on it. Look at that glitter. Oh, I'm obsessed. Then we add some of the heavier ingredients. I figured maybe if we put the heavier ingredients on top, they wouldn't sink straight down into the glue, because this is actually the one that we made before we activated it. So we have a bunch of different sprinkles. A lot of these are actually for sale on peachybbies.com. Some other ones we had for test slimes or videos that I just didn't end up making. A ton of different ones. My favorite are the Mickeys. They're so freaking cute. I love them so much. And I'm always so excited to use them when I make Mickey stuff. Then we have some gold leaf because, I mean, why not? I don't really use it because I know that a lot of people yell at me and say that it turns slime green. I don't know. It looks pretty sick though. Come on. You have to admit, I did a pretty good job. Applause for Andrea. I can't applaud because I only have one hand free, but I'm thinking about doing it. And then I left in the mixing because I don't know about you guys, but I feel like you know by now, aesthetics are my favorite part of the entire slime making process, and I wanted to leave them in, and I wanted to look at them, and I felt like you guys did too. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Let me know down below if you wanted to see that or not. You're watching it right now anyways though, so I mean, does it really matter? Do you really care though? I don't know. Then we're gonna activate this baby up. So fun fact, I always do this thing where I get really impatient with the activator and I kind of just glug it in like we did there. I don't recommend doing that. When you do that, you kind of ruin whatever you've made, like I have here. So just don't be like me.
This table is just too close to the camera.
Yeah, don't hit my mic. I need it to...
It's done.
Then I had my mom mix it up for me because my hands got tired and I just needed a break. You know, I'd been filming for a few hours, so that's what you're hearing is my mom talking because I told her that I wasn't going to leave in this recording. Mom, I love you. I have a video of this one I'm going to post on Instagram once it's softened up a little bit, but it's still a pretty thick slime. But I think it's because we added so many glitters. It's like, it's kind of to the point where it's a little bit crunchy. And that's not just from the sprinkles. So maybe it's just like a really thick base. That's okay. We love a thick slime. We love a thick sister. So I approve of it. I do appreciate it. It makes really good. I don't know how to describe this, but when people squeeze it and the shape stays in the slime, do you know what I mean? I love when people do that, and I absolutely adore slimes that can do that. And this one does that, and it makes me feel so proud of it. It is like a child. I have made it. I've created it. Pretty happy with this one. I don't know. Did I add enough ingredients? Hi. Okay, so editing me here. I feel like I said this, but I'm gonna say it again. I definitely did not watch any other videos on adding too much or like anything like that. So the two different slimes that you're seeing me make is me adding too much of everything to a slime and then activating it. And then this next one that I'm gonna show you is me adding the stuff to the already activated slime, because halfway through I got this like aha moment where I'm like, probably did that wrong. Sorry. Okay, next slime. Let's go. I just clapped. Did you hear that through the microphone? I'm sorry if you did. I'm getting really hyped over here, okay? So same idea. This time, we used an actually activated slime. What the heck was that? There was a weird noise outside my window, kind of like a snake. I don't know. There better not be a snake outside my window, or you will hear me scream. I really love how thick and almost crunchy the first slime was, so I definitely want to get that vibe again by adding a lot of different glitters, but so that it wouldn't be the same old slime just remade with activated slime instead of clear glue, I decided to just switch up the glitters a little bit, switch up the confettis a little bit. Like, look at how cute those hearts are. If you have any suggestions on how to use those though, I would really appreciate it, because I bought those maybe 4 months ago for the shop, and I don't know what to use them with. There's not enough bad things I can say about those stupid pom-poms. Why did I add those? You know, second guessing myself, as I do all the time. And I just looked at the pom-poms and I'm like, yes, this will save this slime. It didn't. They just kind of felt like they shouldn't be there. Furry and clumpy. If you remake this recipe, definitely do it, but you know, with less pom-poms. And when I say less, I mean please don't add the pom-poms. They do not add anything to this slime. Out of all of them, I have to say the activated slime mixing, look how pretty that is. That's literally, I've seen, how many times have I said aesthetic in this video? Either way, it is so aesthetic. Just, oh, it's so pretty. Colorful things in general, you guys, they get me. I have created a beautiful butterfly slime. So mixed together, it does have about the same texture as the other one. This one is slightly less activated because it was already activated. I didn't have to be impatient and activate it myself. You can tell that it still has that same really thick texture. So I do think that's just because we've added so many things to the slime. It's just made it a little bit more thick, a little bit more putty-like. But this one is actually pretty stretchy. So I think overall, I really liked it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, I would totally make this again. I feel like it's a huge waste of glitter. So definitely only make it with glitters that you don't plan on using in any other slimes. But I really like the way it went. I think the mixing is super pretty. And then the overall product had a really unique texture that I don't feel like I felt in a lot of other slimes. I hope I did well. I hope you guys liked my mixings. I don't know if I made this video right, but I hope that I entertained you anyways. Okay. Ah.
Outro.
I hope you liked the video. I put a lot of work into it. I hope that I made it cool for you guys. I've been working on my editing. Let me know what you think. It's a little bit different.
Social media.
Down below. New videos down below. Literally everything down below. I'm gonna go to bed. I love you very much. I will see you in the next video. Go to bed. I hated that. Every second of it.
I have never been the one trying under my tongue. It's my stereo.